Okay, hi. Yes, we're joined here by Philip Smith here. You've been speaking at the event today, LINX 107. You've been talking about IXPs in Asia. Really interesting, but you're over in the UK for other reasons as well, for a BGP workshop you discussed.
Right, so that's a 3-day workshop, and the idea behind that is more to teach network operators about how to use BGP for peering, interconnect, a lot of the BGP best practices. So it's not really teaching BGP as out of the RFCs or how the vendor would say how to configure it on the router, but working with co-instructors, I would share a lot of industry experiences, best practices, things that have gone wrong, things that we've broken, things of how we fixed it. So a lot of real life operations in that workshop.
Oh, okay. So there's 2 workshops. We've just completed one, and we've got another one happening in Edinburgh next week as well.
Yes. I think the most important thing is, again, learning a lot of the best practices that nobody will tell you about, because operators generally know, the bigger operators know what the best practices are for the network. And the nice thing about what we do is, again, with all these different co-instructors I've had with the workshop over the years, they share their experiences, they share some of the configuration hot tips that they do. And so, we end up building 50% hands-on lab, we end up building a small network, working in different groups. People can build it from the ground up. Then we set up connection to exchange point, private peering, transit, and people can learn how to do the prioritization. So that lab work is accompanied by a lot of presentations. We recap the standards, so we make sure people know BGP, but then we talk a lot about multihoming, some of the best practices there, advantages of peering, the value of peering, what it brings to a network, and just some of the BGP best practices. A lot of the, I won't say secret things, but they're certainly known to the biggest operators, but maybe not known to somebody who's just started off, or maybe just exploring the first connection to an exchange point like LINX. They're stepping up from just being dependent on one transit provider to really looking for the best redundancy for the network.
Okay, that sounds great. So the event's taking place in Edinburgh next week. That's Monday till Wednesday, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, so if you're interested in attending this event, if you contact LINX at marketing@linx.net, we'll get you signed up for it. So again, thank you, Philip.
Well, thank you.
Thank you again.
Looking forward to seeing the participants.
Yep. Okay, thanks.
Thanks.